Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, Tata has finally launched free certification courses in many domains, and they are providing 100% placement assistance. If you follow the courses properly and their 100% placement assistance, then you can easily get a package of 3 to 10 lakhs per annum. I want to repeat once again, you do not have to pay any amount for this. And that's the reason, friends, Ratan Tata is one of the great personality. Till he is alive, he will be definitely doing things for the humanity, right? Okay, now, so the multiple domains like automotive, right? Digital courses like cyber security analyst. So BSc, BCA, MCA, MSc, BTech, MTech, all are eligible. Full stack, BCA, MCA, BSc, IT, BTech, MTech. So all these courses like will be offline. Okay, so you have to go to the centers and then you have to attend, right? So for all these courses, no, people are paying 50,000, 40,000, 60,000 rupees, and then they are getting certified and they are getting 100% placement. Here I will give you the complete detail, so please watch the video till the end, like how you can select the center, which all centers these are available, right? So I request all of you to watch the video till the end. Before that, friends, we put lot of effort in making videos, either it is related to hiring or it is related to preparation. For everything we put a lot of effort behind one video. So please do subscribe and click on bell icon, so that, see, that is what our motivation is, and we will be bringing more and more genuine hiring updates. See, we do not simply put any kind of hiring, no. So all the hirings whatever we put with the proper link, with the proper explanation, right? So do subscribe and click on bell icon and share with your friends. Okay, now, so friends, as I said, so the Tata, which is owned by Ratan Tata. So now Tata has launched Tata Strive, and you can see there are a lot of courses. First, I will talk about the digital courses. So we have cyber security analyst. So just click over here, right? Okay. Now you can see eligibility: BSc IT, CS, BCA, MCA, MSc IT, CS, BE, IT, CS, BTech IT, CS, MTech ME, CS IT, and duration is 15 weeks. 15 weeks means it will be almost you can say like 2 months, right? Okay. This course provide you with the knowledge and skill required to work as a cyber security analyst in the ITES industry. Now, so which all centers? So find centers. So just courses offering these centers. So you can click here and then you can see. So we have in Lucknow, we have in Rudrapur, we have in Medanapur, we have in Chanderia, we have in Padra, we have, right? So Maharashtra, Jagannathpur, Jamshedpur, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Delhi, Assam, Jharkhand, Haryana, Bhubaneswar, Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Tata Stripe Extension Center, Bangalore, Karnataka. So you can open here and see how basically you will be able to get in touch with them. So you can, just call them. So toll free number is given. So you can call them and you can also send an email. They respond. Actually, I have done that, right? So this is a shop number is Bangalore, Karnataka. They will give you the complete detail. Okay. And then we have in Maharashtra, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. Also we have Gujarat, right? So, and then Telangana, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra again, Gujarat. So Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Goa also it is there, right? Odisha. Okay. So Telangana. So almost they are doing it in all the states, right? Okay. Now, so if you'll go for the full stack developer, so you have to call them and then you have to check again. So center offering this, so you just need to check with them. Okay, fine. So you can check with them like which all centers it is available. So full stack Java developer, so it is 16 weeks, that means 2 months. Okay, now, so there are some e-learnings are there. So friends, for e-learning I did not find like any way to apply for it, right? So again, you go to the centers, right? So here you went to the centers, you call them and you can ask about all the details. So they are very friendly, so they will provide you all the details. And anyway, in all the languages, you can talk to them. Like in Telangana, they have given the contact number, right? Okay. And then automotive, so the eligibility for automotive, like auto sales consultant, so it is 4 week on job training, right? So duration is 10 weeks and plus 4 weeks on job training. So auto servicing technician 12 weeks, automotive service technician, right? So for all this they have given. And again, they have given the places where all courses offering this. So you can click centers offering this courses, so you can click over here and then you will be getting more detail, right? Hospitality, and then service oriented. And friends, if you want to become a businessman, so entrepreneurship development program, and this is for eligibility 10th pass. So anyone, right? So even if you're 10th pass, so 18 to 35 years of age, right? So for this, you can apply from here, right? So you can click over here and you can apply for it, right? So which district you know, so this is completely free program. And friends, trust me for all this, right? So you might be knowing, right? So this Vivek Bindra or people like them, right? So they offer this, entrepreneurship courses where they charge 50,000, 60,000, 1 lakh. The amount is also out now. So this is completely free by Tata, right? So that's the reason, friends, I was telling you. So Ratan Tata is a great human. And see, once you do these courses anyway, so once you do these courses, right, cyber security analyst and full stack developer, especially for a BE check, right? So here, full stack Java developer, BE check in any of the streams are eligible, right? So that's what we saw. So any of the streams are eligible, right? So just go for it. And this link will be given in the description for both. Okay. So it's a wonderful opportunity. Don't miss it. And once again, before going, if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon. Uh, so that we will be working more hard for you in coming 2024, and definitely now also we are doing it, right? And if you have any more doubt, so just try to click on this centers and try to talk to like in your language. Suppose so from you're from Bangalore, so just go for this Karnataka one, right? Sorry. So you can select this Karnataka contact number. I will show you once again. So fine. So Karnataka, right? So you can just you can talk to him in Kannada, right? Okay. So I mean, see, it will be you will be comfortable if you're from Telangana. Then they also given the address like this village, okay, main road near railway gate, or JACTL Telangana. So right, so courses offered. So these are the courses offered there. Okay, so you can talk to them. So like this, you will be able to talk to them. Okay, fine. So thank you, take care, and all the very very best. So hope this video, you find it useful, and you will be able to do the courses for that. Thank you.